welcome back to our channel. Today I'm bringing you a minimalist holiday dinner tablescape idea that you can use this Christmas. Let's jump right in. I'm starting with a red velvet tablecloth as my base. Then I'm adding our new Flurries table runner. I'm placing a small floral arrangement in the center, then I'm setting the table. Now I'm folding a green polyester napkin into a tree. Lastly, I'm adding some candles and gift decor to complete this cheerful holiday tablescape. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to stop by our social media pages for more event inspiration and subscribe to see our latest videos. Thank you again and see you next time.